Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you a small tip for this bald patch which I had experienced earlier. As you can see, I have this small bald patch in the right in the center of the partition of my forehead. So this was quite depressing for me. So I had to find a remedy and I could find some results with it. It was not all of a sudden that I had this results, but it was quite a process, and I took almost this very seriously, and I followed this step. Within a month or so I could see the results, so I thought I can share with you. Now as you can see in this clip, it is a few small strands of hair starting to grow, so I was happy with the result. Therefore this is the video for the serum which I have made. So you can call it serum or water, but the ingredients are very important. So for this remedy I chose a black pepper. All these ingredients are those which has that tingling effect on the scalp. Therefore these are the ingredients I have chosen. One would be pepper, and then comes clove. It has high levels of antioxidants and nutrients which can help and strengthen the hair growth. It can stimulate your follicles, thereby giving helping your hair follicles to grow your hair. So I have also taken a rosemary, which is considered one of the best ingredient to stop hair fall and promote hair growth. Again, ginger also helps that hair growth effect. It can improve blood circulation to the area, stimulate hair follicle, and it has several vitamins and minerals which will help to strengthen the hair roots. Again, this is an optional. Mint leaves. The peppermint has the cooling effect, and it can increase the blood circulation to the scalp, and it has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Therefore it will help reduce dandruff and also help to stop hair fall and promote hair growth. So these are the few ingredients which I have chosen to make the hair serum. All these are important, but if you can skip one thing, it would be cloves. So all the other ingredients are quite compulsory, because all the other ingredients have the properties to promote hair growth. I'm sure you can find all these ingredients in your kitchen. If you don't have ginger, you can use fresh ginger. So what I did was I just ground all these ingredients into a coarse powder and made the product to make the serum. So to make the serum, I have taken a bowl where I'm going to add 250 ml of the water. The ingredients which I have taken will be all 50 grams each. That is a cup of each of those ingredients will form the serum. So here I have added 250 ml of water and allow it to boil along with the ground paste. It's not a paste but just a coarse powder like, and I'm going to boil it until the water reduces to half of it. It will be a very thick water or a serum, and you should cool it before you can strain it. You can cool it overnight also. You can allow the ingredients to liberate its goodness into the water, and this will be ready. So here I've just taken, for the sake of measuring how much I got, I've taken a measuring jar. You can use any vessel, and strain the ingredients completely thoroughly. Squeeze out every bit of the paste which you just made, and squeeze out everything nicely. I have taken a cloth. You can use a filter or some muslin cloth to squeeze the water out of it. So this is the serum which is ready. It is very good for all age group. Suppose if you are suffering, if your family member is suffering, you can try this on them, but always use a patch test, and if you can't stand the irritation, you can skip it. But since this is very good for promoting hair growth, I have tried this, and I have also given it to a few of my friends to try it, whoever suffers from hair fall. They have given me good feedback. So this serum is ready. I have transferred it into a spray bottle so that it is easy to apply. You can put it in a bottle also, and store it in the refrigerator for more than a week. Always make in small quantities so that you can see how it works. And since if you make this in a large quantity, maybe the effect of the serum will be lost. Therefore, just make in such that you can use it within a week. To use it, just take a little bit of wherever the patch is, just open up, spray it directly onto the scalp and rub it. You can feel a tingling effect. The tingling effect of this product is very much necessary because you should know that the product is working. And if you are very sensitive to the effect, and if you have a very sensitive scalp, then you can stop it. But if you can bear, then it is well and good. You can apply daily, or you can leave it overnight, or even you can apply during the daytime as much as you can hold, and you can wash off with mild shampoo. So the effect of this serum lasts until for a few hours, and you can see the results in a month depending on your age. So try this product and see how it works for you. If you like this product, you can share it with your friends, the recipe. And if you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.